What's going on, everybody? It's Crypto Vision here, back again with another crypto market update. In today's video, we're going to be going over JASMY, we're going to be going over DEGEN, and then we're going to be going over a sub request over at Pudgy Penguin. Yeah. So stick around. If you like the video, drop a like, hit that sub button, and leave a comment where you're tuning in for. I really appreciate it. So we're here on the daily for DEGEN. It is August 27th, and we have a bullish hammer. Right, we have a bullish hammer. We are trying to fight and get above this trend line on the weekly chart. Right, we're still below all the EMAs, and so we're just fighting and scrapping. Right, we're fighting and scrapping. It did, it did show some strength yesterday. Right, getting up above in here, and then now we're just flirting with it again. Okay, now we're flirting with it again. We're dropping on the stochastic RSI, which is nice, and we're kind of going sideways on the RSI. So a little bit down, right? A little bit down. We came up. We didn't actually reject the the moving average quite as hard as I fear. I don't like it when you come up through this and then you come down. But that was actually really nice because that set us up. So it's something like this. Then you slam down. So something like this, right? Harsh, come up sharp, and then come down sharp. So this is kind of right. We kind of came up, and now we're kind of just moving with the RSI, the moving average. So it's good. Yeah, it's good. It's good. So you're not coming straight down. We're not doing something like this where you come up and then straight back down. So let's yeah, that'd be nice just to go sideways for a little bit. Go sideways for a little bit. Where are we resting at right now from the price perspective? Just from this intermediate low to high, we're sitting right at that 69197. We're like quite literally sitting right on that 69197. It's been a key area for for all of crypto. That's why I added it. It's been really key. Overall, just below the 618, right? Just below the 618, kind of just consolidating. We did stop right at the 618 yesterday. This would be nice to consolidate. If we can consolidate within this range, this 3529 and 3457 range, just consolidate in here and then work our way up, that would be really nice. You just don't want to see continuation to the downside, right? We had a nice candle move up and then slam down, right? Nice candle up, slam down. Kind of want something like this where you have a nice candle up, kind of come down, doji candle reversal, and then you start to work your way. All right, start to work your way. Something like this where you're going down, right? You're down, you're going down, you're going down, you're going down, and then you come up, and you do have a candle, but it's not a fully engulfing candle, and then you start to work up. Yeah, we did pull back, but it was more so of continuation to the upside. So that would be really nice to see. We are, we need to close above the 618. We close above the 618. We're actually looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good. This window, right? This window that is being compressed is closing in a heartbeat. It's closing fast. So we're gonna have an idea of what kind of price action we got going on, right? What are we gonna see? What are we gonna do? And so I'm excited to see what plays out with this. The 12-hour, wow, that looks nice actually. 12-hour looks nice. Actually looks nice. So we've come down, we've oscillated down. All right, we've oscillated down, oscillate. Let's see. See where we're at. Alright, we've come down to the, dang, that's kind of a deep correction too. It's kind of a deep correction. We came down all the way to the 2272 of this A wave. Right, this A wave came all the way down to the 2272. That's kind of a harsh correction. We've come up. Where did we go? Oh wow, overshooting B wave. Yeah, overshooting B wave. This B wave is way overshot. Way overshot. Okay. And then where have we come down from here? Let's see. Came right up just below the 618, and now we're kind of falling below the 0.5. So, you know, 0.5 at 3495. That's kind of that area I was talking about, at 3495, right on the daily, right? All right, 3495, or was, I think that was through this right here, right? Was that right here? Oh, sorry, it wasn't the 35. It was the, not 3495, it was the 355, right? So 355 to the 3451. 3451, 355. Just kind of bounce around in there. That would be really nice. That would look really nice. Show us some strength. But this 12 hour looks good, right? This RSI is looking strong. I mean, that's kind of what you want to see. But we got to get through this. So the closing of today is going to be huge. It's going to be absolutely huge, just to determine where we're at in terms of correction being done, more to go. I mean, yeah, 8 hours, the same thing. It's going to be huge. It's going to be huge. I do like how we're building, right? We've built, and then we came down, and then we had an immediate green candle to follow, right? So we had our 3 soldiers. We came down, almost a bearish engulfing candle, but then we came back up and ate that back up. All right, so we're not looking like this, how we came up in 3 and we came down in 3. We came up in 3, down in 1, which is really good. Really, really, really good. That's what you want to see. You want to see something like this, like 3 up, down, 3 up, down, and then go, right? You want more green candles, larger green candles, right? Our green candles have to be, we have to be overtaking the previous bearish candle. So we overtook this bearish candle. So we overtook these 2 bearish candles, right? So really, we ate this all up. We ate up 8%. We just went up 8%, and we went even a little bit higher. We got slammed down, and now we're just compressing again. So I mean, yeah, we're gonna find out. We are gonna find out relatively soon. Right, this is even looking nicer, right? You've come up in 1, 2, 3, coming down 1, 2. Do we come down in 3? Right, we went up in 3, 1, 2, 3. We've come down, or is this an A, B, C? Right, up in 3, down in 3, and then what? Right, do we come back down? Do we come back down to the 335? Right, what is this? Let's get even more cheeky with this. The 618, 3317. That's kind of deep. Right, I'd like to come down to this 1272 possibly. That would be nice. The 1272. You can always. It's typically from the 1 to the 1618. We saw the 2272 correction. That's just a super deep correction. That's deep. So, yeah, but from the 1, you could, right? The 2272 is pretty much a double bottom, right? You'd come back down. You'd take out this low. Don't want to really see that. So, worst case scenario, right? I mean, did we just? What did we close above just now? 3490. We just closed above the 382. We just closed above the 382. Can we get some momentum, right? I know that excitement in my voice just got back, because that's a key area, right? Can we close and stay above this 382, this 3489 area, right? Give us a chance. Give us a chance to get out of here. We got to get out of the zone. We got to get out of the zone. We got to get back. We got to get back up above this trend line. So that's key. That's huge. Huge, absolutely huge, right? Yeah, oh, this looks nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This looks nice right here. We got a 1, 2, 3. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or is it a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're about to get a 5th? What do we got here, ladies and gentlemen? This looks nice. This looks very, very, very nice, right? We've come down, and then we came right back up. This is what you want to see. This is exactly what you want to see right here. We have a green dot with blue wave momentum. Ladies and gentlemen, we could be doing something. We could be getting ready to do something right here, right? We got to do something with our momentum. You see that blue wave right through there? That's key, right? That's when you start something like this, right? That's when you start something like this. Okay, so something like this. Just set us up, right? Set us up for something big. So what is this? Pardon me. All right, this kind of looks like this, right? Came up, came up. I don't like this, but it set us up for something bigger, right? That's not, it doesn't look like this anymore, right? It doesn't look like you're trickling down and you have this weak 3 soldiers set up just to be slammed down, right? We have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we about to go get 5? All right, let's see this. Let's see this. Where are we projected to go? What is this? What am I at? 10 minutes? I got, we got JASMY and Pudgy Penguin to get to, but DEGEN is looking good. 1618. We could get back up to that 3.9 level. That would be key. That would be huge, right? That would be huge. And this is just a small time frame. This is just a small time frame fib. Fib retracement. Where are we gonna take it from? We could take it from this low to high. 3699 is the 382. Alright, that's an area where you'd want to get above 3699 for the overall retracement. Let's see here. Okay, about three, so 3699, so about 37, about 3.00373 is about that area, right? Because you've come down. This is that B wave high, but it did take out this isn't overshooting B wave, but that is kind of the fake out. I kind of like this B wave. But either way, this area, let's get above this. Really, this 1272. Get above this 1272 to then clear out. If we get above this, I really do like this 1272, clearing out this 1272. Just in this move at this small time frame. What is this area right here? It's not too significant right here. So yeah, so we can come back down a little bit, come back down to the 3474, kind of trickle down and then move. So that'd be key to watch. So hey, there's hope there. The market is saying one thing and then it's showing us another. So that's why we do this TA, okay? So we got some levels to look for. And yeah, so first things first, so we got to get back into this channel. Let's get back into this channel and start working our way. All right, we are above the 20. And so, right, let's rip and ride. We do have momentum. All right, we do have momentum. It does look like we want to come back and back test. Let's not fall below this RSI, moving RSI. Heck no, that's bad. That's bad. That's bad. So, alrighty, let's get into JASMY. JASMY's kind of doing the same thing. JASMY's kind of doing the same thing, if I'm being honest. All right, JASMY, we're in this overall pennant. Right, we've been in this thing for a long time. We had a fake out, right? Fake out. And so right now what we're doing is it looks like we're trying to get some kind of momentum, right? We're trying to get some kind of momentum. This I don't like this though. I know I said in my last video, this right here, how they're all bunched up like that. I mean, we could bounce off that. That would be key, right? And then the 50 comes up and rips right through the 100. All right, that's best case scenario. All right, you gotta always there's a negative and a positive to everything, right? The 20 can come down like this, whoop, and then the correction is legit, and we're going down to some lower levels, all right? Or we can bounce. We can bounce right here. Right, we did it right here. Alright, we've done it before. We can do it again. Right, we can do it again. So, where else did we do it? We do it anywhere else? Nope, not in that kind of context where we were coming down. Oh, we did bounce off the 50. We did bounce off the 50 right here. So we were coming down right on the 50, bounced off the 50. So that's good, right? That's good. That gives us some hope that right, this is a critical area of support for us, especially on the daily. Right, this area right here. So let's see what we can do. Right, let's see what we can do with that. RSI, we're creeping back up. Right, we did bounce below this moving average, and we're just creeping back up. The way this moving average is angled, though, I don't like that. How we got just, it kind of looks like an upside down cup. Right, we're just cupping down. Just cupping down. Maybe we're getting ready to bounce off this moving average. Kind of looks like this, right? Kind of looks like this. Same concept, right? Same concept, right? And what do we do there? We kind of were finding our low, if I'm being honest. We were finding our low. Where was I? I lost where we were. Dang it. Is it right here? It was right here. This cup right here, this little cupping pattern on the bottom. We were cupping actually to move up. So we were cupping to move up, which is actually pretty good. So maybe I'm going to retract that statement. Last time we did this, it was good. Each crypto is different. Sometimes when something gets ready like this, it just slingshots down. So, but this is good. This is good. We are trying to bounce. I mean, look at this. We've come back up, and we're just looking to bounce off this RSI, which would be key, huge. Just get us going in the right direction. We don't need to go crazy today. We just need to get going in the right direction. 12-hour green dot, no real movement. Where are we on RSI? I mean, guys, look at this. This thing just wants to rip. This thing wants to rip. This thing wants to go. So to not be bullish is you know, I wouldn't be doing my due diligence if I was strictly bearish, right? Not everyone, but a lot of people are bearish right now. A lot of people are bearish. I mean, look, we're just bouncing right off this 1501 level, off this key area. We're just bouncing off this area. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Where are we in terms of correction, right? This could be your A, B, C. Dang, another one. See, past the 2272. Past the 2272. We had a pretty high B wave. Let me see here. Yeah, up to that 618. So, I mean, the correction is pretty steep, right? The correction is pretty steep. So, right, is this continuation? Look at all of these. Look at all these. Look at all of these, how they're just bunched together. This is a big move is going to happen, ladies and gentlemen. Whether to the downside or the upside, something big is getting ready to happen. Something big, honestly, is getting ready to happen. Either this 20 is about to rip up like this, or the 50 is about to rip down like this. One of those two things this is the week, right? This is the week. And so we are at levels that I'm like, okay, well, we've seen a correction. Right, we've seen a correction. We drew on liquidity. We came all the way down on liquidity. This overall low to high. Overall low to high. I mean, we've got above the 786. We're sitting right. We're sitting. You know, you bounce off the. You can't even. Right, you're not even closing. You can't even stay below the 786. Right, you just don't want to stay below there. Right, you just shot right up in a day. Ate up this whole bearish candle. So let's see here on this. Where are we down here? It's probably going to be pretty low if I'm being honest. Yep, right at that 236. Right, just waiting, just revving up. So it doesn't look like a bear flag, because we've actually got some momentum. It's not just a something like this. This looks like a bear flag, right? You're just like small little tiny candles you slam down, and this looks like your A, B, C, right? Where's our A, B, C, right? Our A, B, C, possibly. That's a pretty low B wave. That's a pretty low B wave, you know. A, B, C, right? If we slam back down under this, these areas of support are going to be huge. Absolutely huge. Let's do this. Let's do this. Come down, clear it out, and now what are we doing? What are we gonna do? We're gonna come up to the right. If we stay above, we need to stay above 1484. We need to stay above 1484 and 1469. 1469 is like we need to stay above these levels. 1489, 1469, these levels are huge because that could be the A, B, C. Right, A, B, C. Overall, 1628. Alright, if we do, I mean 1628, what does that line up with? Because we're in an inverted scale right now, right? Inverted scale. Sorry, 1628 at the 1668, the 2618, 175. I mean, guys, this looks like we're getting ready to just run up to this 2618, 1618 level. So, hey, let's just keep an eye out for this. That looks really good. That looks really bullish. All right, wow, we did actually make some progress on the 4 hour. The 4 hour looks good. Now we need to see some momentum on this Fu Manchu. Where's the momentum, guys? Come on, market makers, come on. Let's obliterate some bears. We've come up. Looks like a 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, 1, 2. Because this came down into the 1. Let's get the 2 hour up. Okay, let's get the 2 hour up. Oh, guys, look, we've actually claimed some momentum. This is good. This is really good. Really good. All right, we're claiming some momentum, and it's now going sideways. Right, what's different? Right, different behavior. Right, well, what's different from here? Right, we haven't just come down and slammed down. We're doing something like this. Right, we're coming up, and we're just going sideways. We're just going sideways. Going up, going sideways after a drop. Something like this, right? Sideways. Sideways. Just going up, going sideways. So market makers are making it tough, for sure. For sure. Right before I'm done with this video, let me see. I'm gonna just do an extension real quick. Maybe a 1, 2. That doesn't look like a 1, 2. Maybe this is the 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, and we're just going sideways now. 1, 2. Maybe we're in another 1, 2 because this 1, 2, 3, 4 has come down into the 1, so it's definitely a 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do this. Oh, that's not what I wanted. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, I mean, just consolidating between the 382, 236. We're bouncing. We touched right off that 20, and we found support. Boom, shot right back up. And so, hey, this looks really good, guys. This looks, I mean, if we can just get some momentum and start moving up, this looks good. So we have those levels. We need to see some further price action, and then we can start to think, okay, now we're good. We have a green dot on the Fu Manchu. We're looking to bounce off this RSI. This RSI is going to be key. It's going to be very key. So overall, we're looking good. We're building some type of momentum right now, which is good. And look at Bitcoin dominance. That thing is just dropping. Do I have Pudgy Penguin? I don't even have it. Pudgy Penguins, US dollar. Alright, let's add it. And let's check it out. Alright, let's check it out. Alright. This is it. Right here. Let's go on the daily. Okay. Okay. This looks actually. Whoa. Okay. So we just had a 1, 2. Came up in the third. We're correcting in a four waves. All right. Let's see what we got here. Wow. Wow. This thing actually went crazy. Okay. So. Boom. Boom. Yeah, this thing looks like this looks actually really nice. This looks really nice. Whoever recommended this is actually looking really good. So key levels to get above, right? You need to get above the 786. That's a key area to get above, right? Key area to get above. Let's do yellow, right? And then we're targeting the 618, the 1618. I'm sorry. And then we're targeting the 2618. Right. Looks good though. This looks really good. Fib retracement. Let's go from the low to the high. Where did we get down to? Yeah, I mean you are closing below the 382. You get a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down. So 3 back down. So let's do that. Let's see where we're going with this. Pudgy Penguins. I think you're gonna correct. It looks like you want to correct at least. Looks like you want to correct down through here to this 2456 level right below your 1, right, to the 1272, somewhere down through here. Take out a lot of liquidity, take it all out. You still have a higher low, right? You still have a higher low, still bouncing. So yeah, this looks good. This looks really good. Let's look at the weekly RSI. Ooh, right, that doesn't look too good. I mean, this looks great. This looks great. It's just the RSI doesn't look the best. All right, this looks good. You can go from there. And you can go from here. Something like that right there. Cool. Something like that. Alright, where are we at on this trend line? Or you're just riding right on the trend line. Look at that. Just riding right on the trend line. It's consolidating. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. So overall, yeah, this looks like a nice chart. You know, you got targets above, right? Some targets above. That's, what are you looking at? Just for your next wave, right? For the next wave. 190, so 200%, and then a 300% return on investment. So yeah, that's pretty, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. It does look like a 1, 2, 3. You're in your 4th, and then you're going to go up and get 5. So yeah, good area to buy. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but you know, you could see some lower price action. So some DCAing in, going down would be, you know, could be a good idea if that's something you're interested in. So yeah, so if you like the video, drop a like, hit that sub button, leave a comment where you're tuning in from. I really appreciate it. It helps out the channel. We are showing momentum. Are we going to get some kind of blast through, or is this just another fake out to the downside? Are we going to use this momentum to correct further down? So I'll keep you guys posted. I'll be back tomorrow with another update. If you have any questions or concerns, drop it in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I appreciate your time. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.